The RM4101 Tourbillon Soccer goes far beyond a simple tribute to this sport. It is a demonstration of the brand's ability to merge advanced horology with sport-specific functionality. At its core lies a movement whose structure has been pushed to its limits. The base plate, skeletonized to the maximum to provide room for the 650 internal components, is crafted from microblasted grade 5 titanium with hand-polished bevels after black PVD treatment. The bridges, with their strikingly complex geometries, receive the same meticulous hand finishing, enhanced by PVD coatings that improves legibility of the caliber's architecture. The fast-rotating barrel, subtly echoing the hexagonal patterns found on soccer balls, delivers a steady 70-hour power reserve. It is held in place by an impressive titanium bridge, treated in 5N PVD, accentuating the breadth and depth of the movement. Such a level of skeletonization required extensive validation to ensure that the RM4101 could withstand all 120 of Richard Mille's internal shock resistance tests, including the ultimate 5000G trial. It is within this titanium universe that the RM4101 introduces its first original complication, the match time indicator. Made of 316L steel with black decal, it indicates the current phase of the match. Each reset of the chronograph advances the display from the first to the second half, then to the first and second overtime. Opposite sits the iconic function selector, which reveals the winding, neutral or hand setting position by way of 3 titanium plates that emerge above a lacquered background. Animating this mechanical stadium is the variable inertia tourbillon, paired with a second monumental titanium bridge and operating at 3 Hz. On the flyback chronograph side, 2 column wheels choreograph the levers and hammers, controlling the start, stop and reset functions while managing wheel release, blocking, braking and clutch engagement. The movement's architecture ensures a coherent and rational distribution of components, avoiding unnecessary layering and favouring technical solutions that optimise function. The geometry of the column wheel, for instance, was designed to ensure long-term synchronization of the various levers, an essential condition for flawless chronometric performance. For a perfect experience, each pusher is engineered and set to deliver uniform tactile feedback thanks to precisely calibrated leverages. One of its highlights is the minute counter bridge, a testament to Richard Mille's mastery in machining and finishing titanium, where rounded contours blend seamlessly with strict linear forms. The chronograph hands sweep across titanium flanges marked with indications for additional half-time and extra time durations, an idea first imagined for the RM1101. The complexity of this flange reflects the same level of excellence seen throughout the movement, from circular graining developed profile wheels to the evolving bevels of the bridges and the satin-finished or straight-grained surfaces of levers and bridges. Visible or not, every component is refined to the extreme. The flange also integrates the power reserve indicator above the barrel, as well as the RM4101's second original complication, the mechanical goal counters. The titanium pushers at 2 and 4 o'clock respectively increment the score of the home and visiting teams. Each press advances the indicators mounted on titanium rails powered by a dedicated gear train. Innovation extends all the way to the exterior. The case is crafted from the latest composite developed with NTPT, Basalt TPT. It is made by stacking ultra-thin basalt fibre layers, each rotated at precise angles, then fusing them under intense heat and pressure to create a material with a uniquely organic pattern. Basalt TPT reveals more visible fibre striations within the composite, offering a natural wood-like texture that can be coloured in deep tonal shades. The RM4101 Tourbillon Soccer is one of those creations that proves watchmaking has not yet reached its limits. It continues to push the boundaries of what is technically achievable and what mechanical beauty can be.